Welcome to the Battle of the Welding Helmets. In this battle, we got the Chicago Electric Welding helmet from Harbor Freight and the Yeswelder helmet from Amazon. Both in the same price range. Let's see how they stack up. First, let's talk about the rig used for this thing. For those that didn't watch the live stream yesterday, I built this rig to hold the helmet. And I'll hold the helmet up like this, and the tripod will sit behind this so y'all can see everything. Y'all should be able to see everything out this, hopefully. So let's get started. We're gonna start with the Chicago Electric, and we'll move on to the Yeswelder, and let's see if we can show a difference using this rig I made. Anyway guys, let's get started. So that's the Harbor Freight one. I had it up here on the stand. I was wearing the Yeswelder one while welding. Let me clear off some of this slag here real quick. Let me find I'm not saying I'm the greatest welder. I never said I was professional. I'm just giving y'all a look at the helmet. So that's the two welds there. I placed one I didn't get to show because the camera messed up. The other I showed in the video. So that's with me wearing the Yeswelder helmet, and y'all was getting the view out of the Harbor Freight welder. As y'all can see, it's really dark. I don't care for that welder much, or helmet much. Next up, I'll be wearing this helmet, the Chicago Electric helmet, and y'all will see the view out of the Yeswelder helmet. So let me get set up for that, and I'll start this back. Alright, that's the bead with the view of the camera through the Yeswelder helmet, and the me wearing the Chicago Electric. To me, I like this. I think the Yeswelder helmet, guys, I'm not getting paid or sponsored by any company. I think the Yeswelder helmet is a better helmet. Let me get the Chicago Electric helmet here. This helmet right here, as you can see, it's dark from takeoff from the start, a little bit dark, and that one has like, so the Yeswelder one, it has the true color technology, as you were seeing through the lens before I started, and even it looks a little bit fuzzy in the video, but it actually is a very clear shot looking at it. This one, it just gets real dark. I had both of these set on 11 on the helmet, both set, all the settings set in the middle on these. This one gives me headaches. The relay or whatever, the delay, is too slow, and this does give me headaches if I weld for a long period of time with it. This one I have not had issues with yet. Both same price point, both around $40. This one's $37.99, and I think this one's around the same price range. I'll put links to both of these in the description. I just think the Yeswelder one is just hands down. Like I said, I'm not a professional. Look at those welds. I'm not professional. My weld toed. That's all I can say about my welds. And I'm running flux core, which ain't, you know, it's not usually the prettiest welds anyway, but they do. I do a lot of outside welding. Anyway, guys, I thought I'd give you a look at two of the cheaper helmets. I have to give this one to Yeswelder. This right here is a pretty good helmet, guys. Go check them both out. Anyway, guys, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see y'all in the next one.